I first tried nectarine pineapple jam because I love apricot pineapple jam so much. And the combination of nectarine taste and the tropical taste of the pineapple, it's just over the top. I really like this one. So to begin with, I don't actually blanch my nectarines. You could if you wanted to, but I just use my blender to mash them. So all I have to do is cut my nectarine in half, pull out the pit. Sometimes it'll split in half the way that this one did, and that's not a big deal. I just make sure that I get all the pieces of it. And I'll start with 4 nectarines because I actually need 4 cups worth, and these are medium nectarines, so that should be about equivalent, so we'll see. Now I'll place this on the blender and blend it on low for about 30 to 40 seconds. I want it chopped up, but I don't want it liquefied. And 4 cups perfectly. So now I'll place this in my large pot. I actually really love seeing those red skins floating around in there. And then I'll add 20 ounces of crushed pineapple, 1/4 of a cup of lemon juice, 6 tablespoons of pectin, and 1/2 of a teaspoon of butter to reduce the foaming. Then I'll place this on the stove and bring it to a boil. Now that it's come to a boil, I'll add 8 cups worth of sugar. And I've pre-measured this because I need to be able to put it in all at the same time. And then I mix it in well and bring it back to a boil. Now that it's come to a boil, I'll set my timer for 1 minute and stir continuously. Now I'll fill my half-pint jars up to 1/4 of an inch of headspace, which is the space from the top of the food to the top of the jar. I use a clean damp cloth to wipe off the rim of my jars so that if there's any jam on the edge, that it won't interfere with the seal. Then I'll place my lids and rings on until they're fingertip tight. I'm using Superb lids today, which are my new favorite lids. They're actually an American-made company, and they're really good quality. They have this thick, squishy blue seal that just adheres to the jars really well, and it seals for up to 36 months as opposed to the 18 months that the standard lids do. I have a link as well as a 20% off discount code in my description below. I'll place these in my boiling water bath, submerged by 1 to 2 inches of water, and then I'll process them for 10 minutes if I'm at sea level. I'm at 1,200 feet, so I'll process them for 15. I place my jars on a heat-resistant surface about 1 to 2 inches apart so that they can cool down quickly. I'll leave them there for 24 hours so that they can get a good seal. I can tell they have a good seal if the center of the lid has depressed down. If it has, then I remove the ring, wash the outside with hot soapy water, and store it in a cool, dry, dark location like my pantry and use it in the next 1 to 3 years. If any of them didn't seal, I would place it in the refrigerator and use it right away. All right, so nectarine pineapple jam. It's got a good set to it already. I don't want to do too much, it is jam. And it's got a really nice flavor to it. You've got the nectarine, that tropical pineapple that's so sweet in the background. I mean, really rivals for that apricot pineapple jam that I like too.